running an event and you've got either concessions items or shop items like upsells and t-shirts, then you should be using concessions.io. This is just a subset of all the wider features that you can get from Players Cards and Player Cards events. But if all you care about is the concessions and you've got the tournament management somewhere else, this might be a good fit for you. Now, in order to get started, you can download the concessions.io applications and then hit host an event. Here's where you'll just go through and say if it's a camp, if it's a tournament, or if it's a league, if it's just an event that you're doing as a one-off. You'll set it all up in the system and then you'll define all of the items that you want to sell. So you could do all your concessions items as well as those t-shirts right from one application. Then when you're ready to go, you'll set up Stripe, and if you want to support tap to pay, then you'll have to set up the tap to pay terminal locations, and the application walks you through all of it. But then all of your users can start purchasing right from the application. And there's two ways to do it. You could either set it up as a event stuff only, where the end user never sees this application at all. You can just hand them their credit card, you could do tap to pay, you can even show a QR code for them to pay on their device. Or you can let them actually order it from their application themselves and even do delivery. So this is going to demo right through that delivery process. So first we've got our staff roll over here. So I'm going to hit add something to cart. We got this bottled water, and then I'm going to see a couple options for payment. That tap to pay I mentioned, card, Venmo, and the customer's device. Now you can set up as an organization what payment methods you want to support, and you can even have a cash button here if you want to support cash to just take it and use it more for inventory management. Right now I've got it set to just do a purchase order. That's because I'm in the event staff role, and then I can just say, let's say they paid with Venmo, so I'll do that. You can have them scan this QR code, send it to the URL for your Venmo, and then you hit this button here that says that the customer paid, and then say confirm payment. And they'll get an email if you enter their email address. You're welcome to do that, and you'll keep that inventory right within your system. All right, now let's say we are the user who wants to buy something. So from here, they could do concessions. They'll add their item to their cart. They'll go to checkout. And now because they are a fan, they're going to see two options. Either they're doing the pickup or delivery. Now, if you don't support delivery, they won't see the option, but let's, for fun, say we want this water delivered. As an organization, you can set what the delivery fee is going to be, whether that's a flat fee or a percentage. This one set it up to be $5. So we're going to do $5. You can turn tips on or off. So here we'll say we're going to do a 10% tip, and let's leave some instructions. I am in section 101. All right, let's pay with Venmo. Once I'm done paying, I will come over here and hit what my handle was to help connect, because Venmo does not have any APIs, so that's the problem with Venmo. You will have to manually reconcile that that is all working. And when it was successful, you'll see payment was successful. And then the email address will come through to the user, and they can see their orders right by tapping the orders page. So this one is awaiting pickup. Now, as the event staffer, I can at any time go over to delivery orders and see which items need to be delivered. So here's one for a bottled water, which we just purchased. Let's accept and deliver this water. Now, there's a cool technology for color matching. So as you're getting close, you can open up your color matching screen. Then we have this cool color matching technology where both sides can hold up their devices to know, okay, there's the pink order that I am confirming. And once one user hits, we found each other, the other group will say they found each other, and that completes the order. Now, as the fan, you can add additional tips on top of that or not. And you can turn on and off tips as an organization if you don't want to support it.